Okay, Dale back from Spartan Racing. As you can see, not a great deal of progress, but it's been a bit of a challenge. So I made a few additional changes that I wanted to make a little while ago. So one of the changes was my seat was, believe it or not, 3mm off centre, and it was driving me crazy. So a little bit OCD. So I've moved the seat over a little bit, took the pedals off, gave them a really good clean up, and moved the brake pedal over a wee bit for more left foot braking. I've now got the HRS dash mounted, and Brett supplied me with this cool carbon fibre mount to go onto the SimCore mount there. As you can see, I've got the monitor mounts on, so just getting those ready. Again, I was checking these, and this armature over this side was about 3 or 4 degrees off, so I corrected that so that they both match properly now. Took me a while to make changes. I had to lift everything up slightly and also move the monitors back a wee bit just to get everything in place. So, you know, there's quite a fair bit in undoing and doing bolts and hanging onto things so they don't drop and smash everything. So everything's sort of back in place now. So ready to get the monitors up on there and then get those positions right. And then I've got to put the fourth monitor back on top once I get the main monitors in the right spot. After that, I'll be on this little arm over here, I'll be putting a DSD button box. And then on this side, I'm going to be putting in a swivel. I've got a new keyboard tray to go on the side down over here so that it actually swivels in. So yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely. I'll see you back with the next video. Bye now.